Hey, what's up you guys? So to start this tutorial, you want to make sure that you actually put the unit on and then cut out your ear. So as you guys can see here, I cut out my ear portion just so I can make sure that the measurements are correct before I start braiding anything. So make sure you just try the unit on and then line it up, cut your normal ear tabs off and then start the braiding process. You don't want to get the unit straight out of the box and then go ahead and start doing this process. Also, I did bleach the knots by this time. I also plucked the unit as well. So this is what I did once I finished doing that. And now we're going to go ahead and start beginning to do our heart-shaped braids, which this was my first time ever doing this, you guys. I was literally seeing it a lot on TikTok. I seen it a lot on Pinterest. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and just try this out. And the reason why I did it on this unit is because this unit is a true 13x4 frontal. I will show you guys the inside portion of the unit once I finish braiding it and everything, but I don't know how to braid with the unit on me, so that's why I use one of my old little canvas blockheads to do this. So here I'm just making sure that I have some of the hair to cover up the tracks in the back. I know it was kind of difficult for you guys to see, but you kind of just want to create a V. So create a V and then just kind of create curves around the V, if that makes any sense. You know how to draw a heart, girl. Draw a heart in your head with a comb. And that's pretty much what it is, but I'm gonna go through and just try to perfect the curves of it. And I'm still gonna have some hair out on the sides, in the front, so that it actually creates a heart shape. And I'm gonna use some of that extra hair that I leave out to do my baby hair. So just watch. And I know some portions you guys may not be able to see like that because obviously I needed to see, but I don't want to block your vision, you know what I mean? So it was a battle, but we got through it nonetheless.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey. Sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who stopped it? That's the feeling that I get when we lock lips. I got the weed at the crib and the liquor too. I fuck your soul, I release in your spiritual. I be your muse, bring your easel and pencils too. Here you go, you trying to tease with them pictures. You could ride on me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga, all I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions, girl, you know I don't do interviews. It's pitiful that when I'm with them other bitches, I pretend it's you. Oh, you work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young Tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that I swing by and hit it too. First base, second base, third base. I'm trying to get you in your birthday. Oh. I know these better niggas thirsty, but please never entertain them, cause that would hurt me, you feel me? Yeah, I know you feel me. Oh, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, too, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not rush into it. When we get to it, we can give it all that we got.
So once you're done with both of your braids, undo them. I only braid them down a little bit just so they can stay in place. So right here, I'm just going to undo them just a little bit, and then I'm going to basically take both of these hairs and then braid them together. So I'm taking both of the braids, and where they meet at, I'm going to just make one braid right here.
Note to self, stay true to self. Shorty, I can use some help. And you know what to do to help. Going in circles, trying not to lose myself. No, check up, how can I check up? Tell you I messed up. We could go somewhere nice, get pretty and get dressed up. Always said I should keep you fed and not fed up. Always said if I ain't happy, give you heads up. I would rather get you back down, long stroke, legs up. No, I'm forgiving you the best love. No, I wouldn't give you nothing less, love. Used to look at me and tell me don't stress, love. That's why I need you whenever I'm stressed, love. Cut me off, told me stay blessed, love. Hey, stay blessed. Changes. Right now I'm going through changes. We upgraded to a crib that's spacious, but this house is not a home without you, baby.
This is what I mean when I say full frontal. You see that? You see how much space you get with this kind of unit? Like, and this is with it tinted and everything. Like, I love this unit from Ashimary Hair. Like, it's so bomb.
I gotta know what must I do to get me back right beside you, whenever you decide to. Alright. Say it's what I get for lying to you. I can talk to you whenever, say whatever. Yeah, you was my best friend, so I lied to you. Used to look at me and tell me don't stress, love. That's why I need you when I'm stressed, love. Cut me off, told me stay blessed, love. Hey, stay blessed. Roll up the carpets, close up the curtains. Guess the show is over, I still love you, that's for certain. Self-righteous, but I'm dead wrong, that's for certain. If you're tryna make me crazy, baby, it's working. Hey, baby, it's working. Dealing with clown, cause know your life a circus. I'm still around, I bet he called you when he heard this. He scared you might take me back, I got him nervous. Tell him, baby, till he be nervous. And not because I buy you those expensive purses, but because the love you got for me is permanent. He threw me up under the bus, he say I'm undeserving. Don't give him no encouragement. I had to soak in some things, I needed nourishment. Look at me now, see a good really flourishing. I wouldn't trade my old life for my current one. No, I wouldn't trade a Venador for a haircut. Why trade a good woman for an immature one? Or a gold digger for an entrepreneur one? I'm saying, mama, you the one. Ain't no second time I fooled you once. Be true to you, that's something I don't do enough. Cut me off, shorty, I thought you was bluffing. Got me blowing up your line, what's up with you, what's up? Note to self, stay true to self. Shorty, I can use some help. And you know what to do to help. Going in circles, trying not to lose myself, no. No.
ask nigga, what's up, nigga? I need a nigga with about 6 figures. And it's someone who know what to do with it. Someone who ain't on that goofy shit. I need to know what you gon' do. I ain't tryna go through deja vu. It's some bull that I've been through. Oh, it's not the same with you. Come make me feel away. Days know I never change. Yeah, relieve all the pain. Make me forget those things. Oh, I wanna lay with you. See what this thing will do. Yeah, put me on something new. Put me on, cause I want something, something that I can feel. I want something that I know when it's real. I want something, something that I can feel. Come and put me on the real.
And I know you ain't never had nobody in your life that'll come through and do you right. Don't you let me change your life, girl. I'm tryna put that race underwater. Girl, I might just give you a daughter. Girl, I know, baby, got it sweet. Let me show you how it feels. Fade away. They say levitate. Baby, relieve all your pain. Make you forget those things. Girl, I wanna lay with you. I'll show you what this thing gon' do to you. But you want something new. You want something that I can feel.
I want something that I know when it's real. I want something, something that I can feel. Come and put me on my real.
So to put the beads on, what I did was I used the same ebon hairspray that I've been using this entire video to do my baby hairs and then my ponytail and everything. I'm using it also to spray on the ends of the hair, and what I'm gonna do is blow dry it so that it's like super straight and like a spike, and then use that to just slide the beads right on through, almost like a needle and thread. So yeah, super easy to do. Just a cool little trick you guys can try out if you don't have a beater, because for some reason it didn't have the little stick inside of there. But you already know your girl is always gonna make it work, and that's exactly what I did.
Come through, 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 come through. Girl, you know we got things to do, things to do. Come through, come through, come through, come through, come through.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Oh, my baby's my baby girl. Yes, no, hurt me so good, baby. Oh, I'm so wrapped up in your love. Let me go. Let me breathe. Stay out of my fantasy.
So you guys, this is the unit from Ashimary. I absolutely love this unit. I do have in a 13x4 frontal unit. This is probably about 150 to 180% density. This is where it's hitting on me in the front, and I love the fact that this is a true 13x4 frontal, because a lot of companies don't provide this, and you can't do this kind of hairstyle on their units because they always have tracks in the frontal. They give you very minimal space, but not with Ashimary. You get a true 13x4. I absolutely love this company. The hair quality is great. The lace is amazing. It melted perfectly. I didn't even need to use an elastic band. The knots on it is very small, and it also comes pre-plucked. So definitely shout out to them. If you guys are interested in this unit, definitely check out the description box down below for a direct link to this unit along with all the details of this hair. Shout out to Ashimary for sponsoring today's video. I have to stress how amazing this lace is. Like, I really need y'all to see how bomb this lace is. Like, shout out to Ashimary for this lace, and shout out to all my girls out there that just watch and support all of my videos. I genuinely appreciate every last one of you guys. See you in my next one. Bye.